This is the help video that I'm making because Katie requested that I do that, and I'm happy to help you guys. So I'm doing problem 48 first, and this is the way the problem was written. This reads -7 times p to the -5th times q to the -3rd times r squared. So I start with this. -7 can be written as -7 over 1 times p to the -5th, which can be written as 1 over p to the 5th, times q to the -3rd, which is times 1 over q to the 3rd, times r squared over 1. Okay, now I have to do top times top times top times top. -7 times r squared is -7r squared. And now do bottom times bottom times bottom times bottom. Well, 1 times p to the 5th is p to the 5th. And p to the 5th times q to the 3rd is p to the 5th q to the 3rd. And p to the 5th q to the 3rd times 1 is p to the 5th q to the 3rd. I am done. Remember, these were all being multiplied together, and that's what I did. I just wrote them in a different form, and then I multiplied them. Okay, this is a division problem, and I'm just going to highlight what I started with. This is what I started with. Whenever I see a problem that's written as a division, I make sure that I know right away that there's still going to be a division sign. This division sign does not disappear. All right, now I'm simplifying. A to the -2nd power can be written as 1 over a to the 2nd power. B to the -1st can be written as 1 over b, or 1 over b to the 1st if you prefer. And all of that is divided by, just like it was over here, c, which I can write as c over 1, times d to the 3rd, which I can write as 1 over d to the 3rd. Now I'm going to simplify again. I'm going to multiply top times top up here, and bottom times bottom up here, so that all of this is a simplified expression, all of this. Okay? 1 times 1 is 1. A squared times b is a squared b. On the bottom, c times 1 is c. And 1 times d to the 3rd is d to the 3rd. So now this problem reads 1 over a squared b divided by c over d to the 3rd. I'm writing this the normal way you're used to seeing fractions being written with the division sign like this. All I've done, I haven't done any work, is I've taken this and written as a division problem the way you're used to seeing. Now, if you remember your rules for dividing fractions from elementary school, to do this, you're going to invert this, so you're going to flip it, and you're going to make this a time sign. So this one stays the same, this got flipped, and now I'm multiplying. D to the 3rd times 1 is d to the 3rd. A squared times b times c is a squared bc. And that is my final answer. Okay? This next set of problems is down below where it said 61 through 72, and they told you what m was, what n was, and what p was, and you had to evaluate the expressions. So the first thing I have to do is, if this is the expression I'm given, I have to substitute in for the m and the n what they tell me m is and what they tell me n is. So m was 4, and this says to the negative n, so instead of writing that n is 5, I'm writing that it's -5. Now this can be simplified by putting a 1 over it, 1 over 4 to the 5th, and 1 over 4 to the 5th is 1 over 256. And actually, I didn't check my math on that. I did that in my head, so I'm going to do 4 raised to the 5th on the calculator. Oh, I was wrong. 4 raised to the 5th is actually 1,024. It's a good thing I checked that. 1,024. Okay, and that is your final answer. One more. On this one, I was given 1 over n raised to the -m. So down here, 1 over n is 5, and it's given me -m, so it's -4. So this part can't be simplified, it's just 1. divided by 1 over 5 to the fourth. 1 over 5 to the fourth is what this equals when you get rid of the negative exponent. So 5 to the fourth is equal to 625. So I took this and I made it 1 over 625 instead of 1 over 5 to the fourth. So now I have 1 divided by 1 over 625. If you write that the way you're used to seeing division problems with fractions, it's 1 over 1 divided by 1 over 625. So remember, you flip this one, it's going to be 625 over 1, and you multiply. I flipped it, and I multiplied. 625 times 1 is 625, and that is my final answer. Done. Remember that you can still post me for other problems that you're having troubles with, and that you're getting points for your work as well as your answer. So it's better to show too much work than too little work. You're always going to be on the safe side of points if you do that. Okay, good luck.